In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write fractions in Notion. If you've ever wanted to format math more neatly inside a Notion page, this is a simple and reliable way to do it. Instead of typing a fraction with a regular slash, you can use Notion's equation feature to display it properly, which looks much cleaner and is especially helpful for notes, study materials, or technical documents. First, go to your Notion page where you want the fraction to appear. This can be an existing page or a new one, depending on where you're working. Once you're there, click into the page so your cursor is active and ready for typing. This step is important because Notion needs to know exactly where to insert the equation block. Next, type a / followed by the words block equation. In Notion, the slash command is used to bring up different content options, and this is one of the quickest ways to insert mathematical formatting. As you type, Notion should show matching options in a drop-down menu. When you see block equation appear in the list, click on it. This will open an equation field where you can enter the code needed to create a fraction. Don't worry if this looks a little technical at first. It's actually very straightforward once you know the pattern. Inside the equation field, type a / followed by frac. After that, add an opening bracket, type your numerator and then close the bracket. Then add another opening bracket, type your denominator and close that bracket as well. The structure should follow the fraction command exactly so Notion can format it correctly. In other words, you're entering the top number first, then the bottom number second, each inside its own set of brackets. Take a moment here to double check what you typed. The /, the word frac, and the brackets all matter. If one part is missing, the fraction may not display the way you expect. If needed, just re-enter it carefully before moving on. Once everything looks correct, click on Done. Notion will then render your fraction in a clean mathematical format on the page. At that point, your fraction is inserted and ready to use. That's all it takes to write fractions in Notion. After you've done it once or twice, the process becomes very quick. This is a great feature to remember whenever you need clearer math formatting in your notes or documents.